How to hide threads replies from someone. So start by simply opening your application. What you need to note that is you can only hide the comments or replies from the post that you have posted. So if you have posted any post, simply go to your comment section, then select on the comment that you are going to hide. If you tap on that, there will be 3 dots next to it, then just select on hide for everyone, and this will move the reply to a hidden section at the bottom of the thread. But if you want to block the user so that the user never comments in your post in the future, you can tap on the 3 dots and there will be a block option. But if you just want to not see their latest interactions, simply tap on not interested. And if you want to mute the user, you can mute, and you also have the option to restrict as well as report the user. And if you want to control who can reply before you even post, so before posting, what you can do is, first of all, simply tap on the compose option and tap on the post option right over here. From here, you can select who can reply and code. You can tap on anyone, your followers, profiles you follow, profiles you mention, and in this way, you'll be able to connect or simply restrict who can interact with your post. And that's it, guys. In this way, you'll be able to hide threads replies from anyone. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel.